Today we will be seeing about Python Programming Unit 5 Tkinter. It is a GUI design where you can have buttons and all those things. First we shall see about the introduction to Tkinter layout. Tkinter is a standard GUI library in Python. It provides tools to design windows, labels, buttons, menus, text box. Layout management is essential to organize widgets properly inside the window. Layout managers in Tkinter are pack, grid and place. Pack places the widget in relation to each other, top, bottom, left, right. Grid arranges the widgets in rows and columns, just like a table. Place places the widget at absolute position using x and y coordinates. About pack, simplest layout manager aligns widget in relation to each other. Side equal to top, left, right, bottom. You have to specify. Grid organizes widget in rows and columns. Widget.grid rows equal to 0, column equal to 0. It will place in that column, in that row, whatever it is. The widget may be a button or label like that. Can span rows and columns using row span and column span. Place provides absolute positioning. Syntax widget.place x equal to 50, y equal to 100. First, radio buttons. Radio button allows the user to select one option from multiple choices. Only one radio button in a group can be selected at a time. Requires a control variable, int var or string var, to hold the selected value. So in the example you can see the radio button is master, text equal to option 1, variable to var, value equal to 1. Here in this text, label shown inside the button, variable, int variable or string variable to store the selected choice, so that you can use it in the if to check further, and a value, unique number or string for each options. Example you can see, from Tkinter import, we are importing the Tkinter, tk equal to root and root.it equal to radio button example. So init var equal to choice. So in the radio button you are see here you are creating 3 buttons, option 1, option 2, option 3. All have the same value as choice, because radio it is just like a group, only one will be active, so the name variable should have the same name, and value can have 1, 2, 3 unique values. That is not a matter, choice is important here. And you are using the layout manager pack, and here you are using the function show choice, root text f selected, choice.get.pack, so that it will display button root text equal to submit command.showChoice.pack, root main loop. So this will, whatever the button that you are clicking, it will display. Checkbox allows multiple selections. Each checkbox is independent. Uses init var 0 is unchecked, 1 is checked. Checkbox master option equal text equal to option, variable equal to var. So this text is the label that will appear, the value appear, whatever you are giving to text, that value will appear, just like radio button. Similarly, variable can store the value of the checkbox. Example you can see, because of text checkbox, you are assigning variable 1 as value 1, var 1. Similarly for variable 2 you are assigning variable 2, but in radio button you are having the same variable name, it's a same group name, that is the variable already you have seen. But in checkbox you have to give different, because which means that you can select all options also in the checkbox. And similarly, if when you are selecting the first one, then the Python will be displayed. When you are selecting the like that. Variable 2, when you are selecting the variable 2 dot get equal to 1, then you are appending the Java. Similarly, you are appending Python. When variable 1 dot get equal to 1, then you are appending Python, otherwise you are appending Java. And finally you are printing. Dialog boxes are pop-up windows for user interactions. Message box show information, warning, error and ask questions. File dialog open and save files. Color chooser select colors. Simple dialogs ask user inputs. From Tinkinder import message box, file dialog, color chooser and simple dialog. So example you can see here, message box you are using info and you are printing the information. This is an information message, warning message, error message. Similarly, this is an example for color chooser. Thank you.